Welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Potential Tropical Cyclone 3, which was previously in Vest 92L and which will likely strengthen into Claudette. So let's take a look first at what the wind forecast will look like. So in the coming days, we'll be seeing landfall late Friday evening, and sustained winds will be around 35 miles per hour, though I do believe that will change once we get closer. I believe sustained winds will probably be more around 50 miles per hour, and we're going to be seeing some high wind gusts. We could be seeing wind gusts as high as 59 to 60 miles per hour on landfall. We're going to be seeing strong wind gusts well inland, and we're going to be seeing the wind field of this storm system widen over Georgia. As you can see, the wind field is going to become very wide, where North Florida will be getting winds around 45 miles per hour in gusts. So we could be seeing some very, very strong gusts once this wind field broadens. We're going to be seeing that wind field stay strong, and Columbia, South Carolina could end up getting winds almost near 60 miles per hour, around 57 miles per hour. Then we're going to be seeing this storm leave the coast on Monday afternoon just off of Myrtle Beach and Wilmington in South Carolina and North Carolina. So let's go over the key messages for potential Tropical Cyclone 3. The system is expected to produce heavy rainfall and considerable flash urban and small stream flooding, beginning Friday and continuing through the weekend along the central Gulf Coast and spreading northeastward to the southern Appalachians. Tropical storm conditions are expected to begin Friday in areas near and well to the east of the center along portions of the central Gulf Coast and intercoastal city, Louisiana, to the Alabama/Florida border, including New Orleans. So that's what we're going to be seeing. Let's take a look at the U.S. rainfall potential. This is something we need to keep an eye on. We're going to be seeing 6 to 10 inches of rainfall in New Orleans. Luckily, we're going to be seeing Actually, in New Orleans, we're going to be seeing 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. Luckily, that is way less than what we were going to see. Some areas, though, will experience 6 to 10 inches of rain. Luckily, we're not going to be seeing a major flash flooding problem with this storm. I do not believe, though, flash flooding is still possible. Now, we also need to keep an eye on the wind speed probabilities. We're going to be seeing anywhere from 20 to 30% chance of tropical storm wind speed in Louisiana as of now, though that will likely increase later on in the week. Flash flooding potential is moderate for Mobile and into New Orleans, so we'll need to keep an eye on that. And as far as peak storm surge, we're going to be seeing anywhere from 1 to 2 feet down near Cameron, which we know was already hit with Laura earlier last year, and we're going to be seeing 2 to 3 feet at peak around the coast of Louisiana. We're going to be seeing 1 to 3 feet on the Alabama and Florida border also. So let's take a look at the warnings and cone of uncertainty. We're going to be seeing this depression go into a tropical storm on 1 p.m. Friday and make landfall by 1 a.m. Saturday. That is as of now, though I do believe landfall could be a little earlier based on what the models are showing. I do believe landfall could be 8 p.m. to possibly midnight on Friday night, which is not a very good thing. We're going to be seeing tropical storm warning here. This is a tropical storm warning right here for Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. We'll need to on the coast of those three states. We need to keep an eye on that because the storm could strengthen even more. Wind speed, sustained wind speed will likely be around 60 miles per hour on landfall. Let's take a look at the current storm information. As you can see, only 2 models believe this will hit a tropical storm force, though since it's so close to tropical storm wind speed right now and there's already winds of it at 40 miles per hour, I do believe we will hit tropical storm speed. The model tracks have changed significantly since earlier today. As you can see, some of them believing it'll hit Mexico and some bringing it all the way to Louisiana, where we already mentioned, though it is likely that we will see a Louisiana landfall, since that is what the National Hurricane Service has predicted, though it is possible we could see a shift. So what is the track of this storm going to be? Well, from where it is right now, we're likely going to see this storm go from here, and there's going to be a high pressure system moving in this direction down here like this that will push this storm out in this direction over into the ocean where it could possibly re-strengthen out over water. Now let's take a look at the satellite imagery for this storm. And as you can see from previous satellite imagery I've shown you, it is becoming a lot more compact, and it is likely that we will see it strengthen a bit more very rapidly over the next couple of days. The conditions are well for the storm, and the wind shear that is in the area where the storm will be going, if that moves on out, then it's likely that we could see it strengthen a little faster. The water temperature is perfect for cyclone forming. Luckily, though, there is going to be African dust coming from the Sahara, and luckily that'll reduce chances for some tropical weather for a little bit of time. Thank you for watching, though. This has been WKP.